I don't even know how to ride that. Alright. So yeah, it's time to go ride. Come on, let's go. Time to go ride. Yeah, buddy. Going or not? Come on. Like nice shit. Too many fucking Harleys. But whatever. Oh shit. Oh, that hit me. My chain broke. Oh shit, that hurt. The choppers are out. Oh shit. It gone. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh man, that kind of hurts. Oh, I thought something hit me. It came as a fucking chain? Got me fucked up though. That's tight. What the fuck? That's it? I just ride it and the chain breaks and I'm dead? That's it? Fuck. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Alright, for sure. Well, I feel like kind of screwed. So we're gonna put the chain over that, and we're pushing her back. Oh man. Oh, I'm gonna get hit. This is not good. I'm gonna record this and then I'll be like, man, I can turn it on. Oh, should I turn it on? Yeah. Look, it'll be in neutral. It doesn't matter. The chain's broke. Alright, we got life. Yeah. Horsepower, bro. Shit's broken as fuck. Bike life problems, bro. Now, I said, I think I understand why everyone hates the GSXR. It's got so much fucking power, it just snaps the fucking chain off. I feel it. If this is just a normal thing, that must suck. I'm very fucking mad right now. I'm gonna get pulled over for reckless driving and shit. Mine is broken, bro. Like, you wouldn't even believe that. The chain is... You see that fucking chain? Oh my god. Lost the master link, probably that's it. GSXR live. My chain is gonna snap. Just fucking blow my shit apart. It worked for like 600 miles. It gone. Yeah, you seen that. Fuck! Bro, this is what it feels like to fucking own a Ford. Shit's broken, you gotta fucking push it home. This is Ford life right here. Bro, you dumbasses that don't buy Chevys. This is a freak accident though, don't take that on, Suzuki. That's my fault. I'm holding the clutch in like a dumbass. ruined my whole rear piece. Walking home like a fucking idiot. Oh, so fucking burnt, dude. Oh yeah, I'm just walking my bike home. We're gonna be going for miles. Oh, I keep hitting the cage. Fucking peg tech, like it's so perfect. Except for this. Yeah, this is just fucked, dude. Yeah, bike life, bruh. We out here. We in these streets, dude. Going hard. And then my shit broke. Tired of walking. Fuck. Is this putting miles on my bike? Next day update. Broken. Cool. You know, probably tape that back. Dang, this. And that was part of the chain guard I ripped off, but now it's really not there. We're chilling. That impact tag just saved my ass. Literally. Yeah. Got it pretty good. Broke through here. And chain did hit me. Conveniently not that hard though. But it hit me. Oh yeah. There's a chunk of my fairing somewhere out there. Cracked the case. Ridiculous. Sucks. Pull the front cover off, see what's going on with that, man. Stuck up in here. Let's see it really see everything, but alright. Let's out the gate. Try this out. And something's messed up, man. I can feel it like jerking me and shit. Oh, man, fuck this front sprocket up. Alright, the actual problem with the bike, got the chain on, it's just wobbling. Super fucked. After we ride it, kinda looks like it's wobbling. So that sucks. I guess we're gonna pull the motor out. That can't be good. There you go. It's about to be down, folks. It's about to be down. That sucks. Well, if you liked it, you can always comment and subscribe. Something. There you go.